Alright, after a bit of attempts, we found it. So Mercado Lucas de Galvez. It's the local market here in Merida, so we're gonna walk in and explore a bit. See what all they got. More clothes like crazy. Like I told you, they love their clothes here. Cheap clothes, cheap knockoff clothes. Cell phone accessories, more clothing, belts and caps, wallets. Seems they always love their leather stuff. Watches, jewelry. No clue what that is. Baby shoes. Looks like mainly baby slippers. What that is? Watches. Yucatan style clothing. Yes. And even face masks, hammocks, baskets and stuff. Phone cases, more jewelry, headphones, underwears back there, flashlights, watches. Basically, you see this at every market here in Mexico. It's basically junk. It's well, not really junk, but yeah. It's gonna be all clothes. Ice cream place. Might be the nicest thing I've seen here so far. More and more clothes, belts. Yeah, I hear they sell CDs still. I didn't even know CDs still existed. That's funny. Got purses back there, more clothes, clothing, and wow, more clothing. Princess dresses and sorts for your daughters. Glasses, more shoes. More and more shoes. Cell phone accessories. Underwears. Socks, underwears. T-shirts. More mestizo type stuff. It's a long drop down, you better watch out. Let's go down. Socks, underwears, clothes, school bags. I sound like I'm repeating myself this, but here's one place that got some fruits. Hopefully there's some more other stuff inside. We can figure out how to get in. Some bakery, more fruits, mangoes, plums. What else? We're selling waters, limes. Got a pharmacy over here. Is there more back here? Looks like it goes across the street too. Let's walk down this way a little bit and just see if there's anything. Looks like it's more actual big stores. Here we got some fruits, bananas, plantain chips, mangoes. Looks like everyone got apples and bananas. We'll keep on exploring. Gonna make a quick pit stop over there at Oxo. I need to stay cool and refreshed. Need a drink. It's very hot out here, so gotta make sure to stay hydrated. So look at this here. They're selling chunks of ice. What else? ¿Cómo vendes el hielo?
Por trozo,
Pues, pero ¿cuánto? ¿Cuánto cuesta el trozo?
30,
30.
30 y 60.
Ah, ok, gracias.
Entera.
Oh, I just stepped on some gum. That's interesting. You can buy your chunk of ice there. 30 pesos for the chunk, which is like $2. That's cool. Continuing the exploration of the market. I got a bunch of ices and snacks and stuff. Oh, battery's almost dead. Oh, there. Sunglasses, hammocks. Those are the best inventions ever. And so we got at Oxo, we got this called Swirl X. It's supposed to be good for hydrating, and it's zero azúcar, which means zero sugar. You know me, I like trying my zero sugar items. So let's give this a try quick. Tastes good. It's like watered down apple juice. Hey, it helps hydrate. I'm happy. More clothing. Kids clothing, looks like. And more eyewear. Another Oxo. Telling you, these are everywhere. Here we got, ooh, different types of chicken. Might have to go back there, get some chicken. I'm hungry. We're also running out of battery, so we're gonna have to end this video real soon. Let's take a look at a little bit more of what there is. I forgot to bring an extra battery because I was only originally gonna go get something to eat, and I decided might as well try to do some videos. So it was a beautiful day. It quit raining, so we're here filming some videos instead. Places sell roast chicken. Buenos dias. They look good. That's cheese. Apparently that's huge here. Everyone seems to sell it. You know, they're selling electronics. Oh, I believe we found the restaurant section of the market over there. All those restaurants lined up. Turn off this battery to save some, and let's head over there and see what we can find.